deep is it? How deep is it?
Hey.
How deep is it?
How deep's again?
Is that as deep as it gets?
He said cross the blade down. There's a fish out there in the water.
He's like, get your ass out of here.
He said you gotta keep her in check.
That's fucking deep, dude. I ain't doing that. Huh? I don't think so.
You're not gonna do it?
I got my amp under my hood. I don't really want to try it.
We're not doing it? He's got his amp under his hood.
You want to do it?
He's got his amp under his hood. He doesn't want to do it. No. Put a ziplock on it.
She's saying it's coming up to wake.
Yeah, that means this deep in here.
You want to know if it doesn't get any deeper than here?
I don't know.
No.
Well, she said it's only waist deep on her.
The guy said he's been over it plenty of times.
Oh yeah, huh?
No,
No,
dude,
no.
it was just standing there. He said he's been over the.
He said it's just the boulders that are in there.
Yeah. Going back the other way.
Well, it's the same.
Yeah, that's what that dude said. They've been across it.
My stereo.
That dude said they've been across it.
Oh, right where that is.
The wheels look good.
Yeah.
It's probably a little bit higher, huh? It's probably a little bit higher